It's the first morning after rule change in Colorado. Heather has banned the schedule and ruled the family spend time together over a casual breakfast. She goes on to explain her homeschool style.
We made this time machine, and we transport ourselves to another time and place and pretend like we're capturing these historical figures.
How do they learn, like, calculus?
My son is more of an artist, and he doesn't need calculus.
He just doesn't know. He just can't do
He
math.
doesn't. He hasn't had an interest in it.
I think of Heather's idea of teaching with a time machine, I think she's a nut.
At the Martinsons, everyone is up bright and early as Carrie enforces her rules that Riley and Harrison must go to school wearing their new clothes.
I hate it. I don't even know what you just said.
Have a good day at school.
Okay.
It's gonna be a fun day.
The fun is done already.
It's kind of interesting seeing them head off to school. They kind of looked like they were marching off to their doom by the look on their faces.
We're really excited to have you here.
Okay.
And these are just to help us get a little bit faster with our math facts. So you're actually gonna have 3 minutes to work on this speed drill.
So you catch it and then you pass it to anybody you want. Okay.
2 times 4 is what?
What I feel about sitting at a desk and listening to a teacher droning on is boring and a waste of time. When I can be learning it in another way that will put it into my head longer.
At the Joneses, nonconformist Heather has ruled Brooke and Krista ditch their fancy clothes by putting gravity to the test.
What are we doing?
The idea is that the clothes don't define the girl defines herself.
So what's that have to do with throwing them off the balcony and putting them in a box?
Well, it's just more fun to throw it off the balcony.
I thought throwing all my clothes over the balcony was pointless because we both agree that people do judge you when you make first impressions. Oh my goodness.
After the clothes are packed away, Heather prepares to give 17-year-old Krista and 14-year-old Brooke a homeschooling lesson in medieval history.
When we do school, every year I make a theme.
So we missed a chemistry test and a physics test today.
One of the worst learning environments anywhere is a classroom.
Heather's tried to explain what she does, but it just doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. I think she's failing her kids by not giving